Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Today I'm outside with William. He's in the trampoline. It's a little bit cold, like you see, it's a little bit of snow left still. It's 5 degrees and it's freezing, and there's a little bit of a breeze too. So I put this scarf on and this hat. If you don't see the tutorial, I'm gonna leave the link. You're gonna see an eye. You click on the eye and I'll bring you the tutorial of these two different pieces. It's cold, but he wanted to be outside. He came to spend Sunday with me, so I will record a little bit more as we spend the day together. William is here in the trampoline. He's 5 years old already. Amazing how time goes by so fast. Today Sunday, so he don't have a school. He already started school this year. His mom just dropped him up before she got to work, so he wanted to come outside to the trampoline, and this is the first time in the trampoline this year. It was covered in snow, but the snow is gone. Still some snow outside. An old chair that he go up, and that old chair to get up in the trampoline. Oh my goodness, it's freezing. Hopefully the nice weather will be soon in here. A better weather, because it's nicer than it was a few days ago. That was minus 22. We have a little bit of a breeze going here, and it's really cold outside. For me, because I was in Cuba for almost 4 months, so now even a little bit of a breeze is cold to me. But Williams really is enjoying jumping in the trampoline. We don't have electricity, so we don't have heat in the house neither. 8 o'clock to 11, so we decided not to put the generator because there's no need just for a few hours to do all that work. Well, if it was minus, yes, but since it's 5, it's a little bit sunny and it's not that bad outside. I thought that I can take it, but I think I'm gonna go inside to get some mittens, because I feel the cold in my hands. Even with the pants that I have on, they're fleecy, I can feel the cold in my legs. And in my feet, I have my winter boots, and I still can feel the cold. It's really windy, so I think it's below 0 the temperature right now. I'm inside the trampoline with William. He wanted me to get in to jump with him. So let's see, he had too many balls in here. I don't like to jump with a ball because sometimes I just step on them. Look how many balls he have here. Too many. They're on my feet. So I have my winter boots, the boots that I wear for going and snowshoeing. And they're very warm, but still I feel the cold in my feet. I feel cold today. We're going inside because it's too cold. My nose is red, I don't feel my fingers, I don't feel my toes, and I'm gonna make a nice hot chocolate for William and I because it's too cold, it's too windy, it's freezing. Remember, I'm gonna leave the link here for this beautiful scarf. It's really warm and it's gorgeous, very easy to do. And you're gonna see the link, and you can click on the link, and then you will see the tutorial. We are inside the house now, and Willie is practicing his number. He knows his letter, he knows his alphabet, and he's in kindergarten. William and I are making a banana bread in this bread machine. First time doing that. It was a gift, this machine. So we're trying for the first time making a banana bread, chocolate chips. So I will let you know if it worked. So I hope so. He's just very anxious for this to be ready. I removed the bread from the bread machine, and it's still in the container from the bread machine because it's still very hot, and it looks amazing. It's banana chocolate chips, and the recipe is from the book. I hope it is good. It's the first time I make it, and it smells amazing. So if it tastes like it smells, it's gonna be delicious. I will let you know. I took it out and look this way, a little dark on the side there, but it's because it's a sweet banana bread. So let's see how it tastes once it cools down. Like that, is the consistency of the bread. Look amazing. So I'm gonna give some to William to see what he thinks. There's Willie eating his banana bread. You like it? It's tasty. Now we're preparing pizza dough. It's been long time since I made pizza. He loved the homemade pizza, and I love it too. That's the only pizza that we eat. And I'm gonna place the ingredients in the bread machine and prepare the dough, and after him and I will prepare the pizza. Well, I prepared the pizzas and they look amazing. This is my first time using this recipe from the book of this machine, so it look amazing. So I hope it tastes really good because it's really nice and elastic, the dough. So let's see. Here's the pizza. They are done with a lot of vegetables. They look delicious, ready to eat. And William's mom is here, ready to pick him up. So he's gonna eat pizza and go home. William is leaving. Bye, Willie. See you Saturday. My first spring flowers. Look at these. Amazing. And look, more are coming. And we still have some snow. It's like 6 Celsius right now. I'm gonna go up to 9 today, so I'm going for a hike soon. And we still have some snow. Look, some snow. And where the snow is gone, I started getting some spring flowers. Amazing. My first hike of the year. It's a little bit cold. It's 6 Celsius. We have a little bit of a breeze, but not a lot. Yesterday was more windy. So it's sunny, gorgeous, nice to get out and get a little bit fresh air. I had to open my jacket because I already feel my body warming up, and I don't even been walking not even 5 minutes. I keeping my hat because my ears really get really cold and my nose is red. Still it's a quiet breathe. So the tutorial for this hat is on my channel, so I will leave a link here just in case you haven't seen it. But it's a beautiful, beautiful spring day. I had to close my jacket because it's cloudy and the sun disappears from time to time, and you can feel the cold. Here I don't have any tree around to protect me from the air, so I get really cold. And I'm glad I have some mittens here to put on if I get too cold. Look at those old barns. This must be very, very old barns. All destroyed by time and the weather. This is where I always hike and run. So look how different it is from the spring and summer and fall. I can see some people out there hiking. They're far away. I'm not running today because I don't want to abuse. It's really cold, and this is my first time going out, so I'm taking it easy, just walking. We still have some snow even in the side of the road where it's sunny. Around the house, and my house is full of snow. So slowly, but it's going. The sun came up. I opened my jacket, removed my mittens. It's get really nice when the sun is out. My nose is the same color as my hat. And by the way, you don't see the tutorial of the hat. I'm gonna leave the link here. You're gonna see an eye. You click on the eye, and it will bring you to the tutorial. It's for a bun. Very comfy and practical. And I'm exercising inside the house because I always, when I go to Cuba, gain a lot of weight. and I decided to come out today because it's really nice. It's nice, the fresh air, even if I feel the cold. Now it's time to go back home. I walk a little bit over 3 kilometers, so I had to walk the same distance back. I started walking home now, nice and sunny. Everything looked dead because the winter, but very soon everything will be green again. On the way back, I removed my jacket. It's sunny. It's not hot, but I'm not cold either. The temperature is 9. I feel like 8. It's cloudy again. I'm not putting back my jacket. It's nice. It's nice. I had to put my jacket on. I'm glad I'm almost home. So a nice hot shower to warm up. Well, I hope you guys don't get bored with this small video. Get motivated to walk. If you don't walk, you don't have to walk a lot. Just put on a hat if it's cold and a little jacket. Go for a little walk. 15 minutes one way, 15 minutes back, or 20 minutes back. And without you even thinking about it, you'll be walking an hour and a half, and you'll love it. You'll love it, love it, love it. I don't used to exercise. I don't used to walk. I was a little bit overweight, and I started doing this, and I feel amazing. So I will see you here in my next video.